Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk approve mobile devices in Google Workspace from a list using Foresight. It streamlined the administrative process of approving multiple mobile devices so that they can access the organization network and resources. And we'll see an efficient, automatic, and secure way to bulk approve mobile devices. Google Admin Consoles can bulk approve mobile devices, but it only allows 50 devices at a time. While using Foresight, we can bulk approve more than 50 mobile devices. In Google Admin Console, you can see that these devices are pending approval. So, we will approve them using Foresight. Rule creation. We will do this process in 2 rules. Rule 1. Listing mobile devices. Step 1. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Manual trigger. Step 3. And select List Mobile Devices action. Here select 3 columns: Device ID, Device User Email, and Device Status. Step 4. Click on Review, enter rule name, and click Create. Step 5. Now, click the play icon to trigger the rule. After the rule is triggered successfully, go to the rule page and download the mobile device list. Here is the CSV that we have downloaded. Open it in Excel or Google Sheets and remove those records that are already approved devices. You can see the remaining device status column is pending. So, let's bulk approve them. Rule 2. Bulk approves mobile devices. Step 1. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Step 3. Now click Next and select the Approve Mobile Device action. Here select the Device ID in Device ID field, and select Device User Email in User Primary Email field. Step 4. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Rule triggering. Now let's trigger the rule. Click the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. This may take some time. Verifying results. After some time, a notification will appear. Now, go to the Logs page. Here you can see the rule has run successfully. Now, let's verify the results from Google Admin Console. You can see all the status has been changed from pending devices to approved. Foresight is truly a handy tool for Google Workspace admins and users. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business